Hi there. In this video, I'm going to compare the relative benefits of using a points-based grading system in your Canvas course versus using a weighted grading system. So many experienced instructors have developed a points-based system of grading that will add up to maybe 100 points overall. Or, alternately, it could add up to 1,000 points by the end of the semester. These instructors award their points to assignments, quizzes, and discussions based on each assessment's relative importance. However, this can require a fairly good head for math, since there can be so many different point values depending on how many assignments and quizzes that you have. So people can make mistakes as a result. For example, if you assign too few points to an important task, students may underestimate the amount of time they need to dedicate to it. Now, Canvas allows you to weight your grades by assignment groups, which can make your grading a lot easier. You still have to assign weights to the groups, but that is a lot less work than assigning different point amounts to each and every assignment, quiz, and discussion. Another advantage is that with weighting, you can grade everything as being worth 10 points or 100 points, which can really simplify grading for you and make it easier for your students to understand how they are doing from day to day. To use a weighting system, enter the Assignments page in Canvas and apply weighting to your assignment groups by clicking on the gear in the upper right corner, as I am doing now. Make sure to add in the percentages for each assignment group so that they equal the grading communicated in your syllabus. Be advised, you need to make certain the weights equal up to 100%. Canvas will not do that for you automatically. Having weighted your assignment groups by percentage, you can now see those weights by looking at the right-hand side of any assignment group. Your students can see these weights too. If your assignment groups do not yet equal 100% because you haven't created all your assignments yet, then create a new assignment group for upcoming assignments and leave it unpublished while you work on populating it with new types of assignments. This way, even if you haven't added all your assignments to Canvas yet, you still have a placeholder where you will add them, along with the appropriate weighted percentages. You can add assignments to these groups at any time by clicking on the plus button on the right side of the appropriate assignment group. You can also import previous assignments or copy over assignments from other classes and then drag and drop them into other existing assignment groups. Make sure to keep works in progress unpublished and then publish them when you want students to work on them. Remember, an assignment will not appear in your gradebook until you publish it. Now let's look at the gradebook now. As you can see, the assignments are organized in the order you added them to the course. If you would like to reorganize them, you will need to reorganize them both in your assignments page and in the gradebook. You can do so by clicking and dragging. Overall, we recommend that you keep assignment names short so that the gradebook is easy to navigate. Now, if you move the cursor over to the end of the gradebook, you will see all your assignment groups listed before your total grade. Each assignment group communicates a student's overall grade for all of those types of assessments, which in this example, for instance, is treated as 20% of the student's total grade in the course. The total final grade is calculated out of 100%. This function allows you to grade all assignments in a group out of 10 points or 100 points or whichever, without having to worry that everything adds up to a preset number of points. Provided that you set up weighting correctly, Canvas will take care of that averaging for you. Low-stakes assignments such as homework or comprehension quizzes can be 10 points, communicating to students that these are less important than the 100 points assignments. 100-point assignments can be used for formal essays and major tests, communicating that they are the more important assessments. The only exception to this rule is a class project that is broken into multiple assignments. Such a project might have its own assignment group worth perhaps 30% of the final grade. These assignments within the group could be of progressive importance. For example, in a research paper, these assignments might include the research question, worth 10 points, an outline, worth 10 points as well, a rough draft, worth 50 points, a peer review, also worth 50 points, perhaps an annotated bibliography, worth 75 points, and a finished product, worth 150 points. Functionally, this sort of assignment combines points grading at the assignment level with weighted grading at the assignment group level. This communicates to the students that the assignments build on each other. It also helps students with time management, and it curbs plagiarism, since you will see each step of the project as it develops. We hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please email us at cite@mountida.edu. That's CITE@mountida.edu. Thank you very much. See you next time.